The Serapeum, constructed around 3000 BC, serves as a testament to the ancient Egyptians' remarkable engineering prowess. Its grand design, featuring extensive hallways and expansive stone chambers, was dedicated to the reverence of sacred bulls. In their architectural endeavors, the ancient Egyptians exhibited an impressive command of geometry. The precision evident in the construction of their sarcophagi reflects not only their technical skills, but also their grasp of mathematical principles, including the concept of pi. Interestingly, the design and utilization of sarcophagi may have been associated with fermentation processes, suggesting that these artifacts were employed for food preservation and potentially even energy generation by the ancient Egyptians. The renowned archaeologist Howard Carter, who unearthed the tomb of King Tutankhamun, encountered numerous restrictions imposed by the Egyptian government. These measures stemmed from concerns regarding unexplained disappearances linked to the excavation, illuminating the tensions that accompanied this historical discovery. The so-called Curse of King Tut has become a topic of intrigue, often connected to the premature deaths of several individuals involved in the discovery of the tomb, including George Herbert. However, it is essential to recognize that many of these deaths can be attributed to natural causes rather than any supernatural forces. Curiously, it is plausible that Howard Carter may have leveraged the concept of the curse as a stratagem in public relations to distract media attention and safeguard the integrity of the excavation. This tactic underscores how narratives can significantly influence historical perceptions. The construction of the pyramids involved the movement of over 2 million limestone blocks, each weighing approximately 2.5 tons. This monumental effort reflects the extraordinary labor organization and social structure of ancient Egyptian society. Additionally, the alignment of the pyramids with celestial bodies underscores the Egyptians' profound connection to the divine. This design exemplifies their advanced understanding of astronomy and its significance in their cultural context. Within the pyramids, the absence of hieroglyphs in chambers such as the King's Chamber and the Queen's Chamber raises intriguing questions about their intended purposes and the cultural practices of ancient Egypt. The intricate mummification process practiced by the ancient Egyptians, which could extend over 7 days, involved thorough body desiccation and meticulous wrapping in linen. This practice reflects their deeply ingrained cultural beliefs regarding the afterlife. Artistic representations within tombs, exemplified by the treasures found in King Tut's tomb, depicted spiritual journeys to the afterlife. Such imagery highlights the Egyptians' profound beliefs in life after death and the importance of spiritual preparation. Moreover, King Tutankhamun's tomb contained a variety of items, including food, jewelry, and board games, intended to accompany him in the afterlife. These findings illustrate the Egyptians' conviction in providing for the deceased in their journey beyond. The discovery of a substantial site featuring an amphitheater and 6 pyramids suggests the existence of a complex civilization around 2027 BCE, possibly predating previously recognized structures in Egypt. This revelation prompts critical reassessments of historical timelines. Conversely, the Japanese site known as Yanagi, often referred to as Japan's Atlantis, showcases structures that may indicate human activity dating back 10,000 years. This discovery adds further layers to the enigma surrounding lost civilizations. In a surprising turn, Neanderthals are increasingly acknowledged for their advanced skills, such as fiber technology, which challenges the prevailing view of them as primitive beings. This recognition reshapes our understanding of human ancestry. The Sphinx, carved from a single piece of limestone and originally adorned with vibrant paint, highlights the artistry of ancient Egyptian craftsmen. However, centuries of erosion have faded its once dazzling appearance. Legends portray the Sphinx as the guardian of the pharaoh's tomb, and the discovery of hidden entrances has sparked curiosity about secret passages and potential treasure halls beneath its enigmatic exterior. This continues to stimulate archaeological interest. Despite a plethora of theories surrounding advanced artifacts concealed under the Sphinx, many of these propositions remain unverified. This ambiguity perpetuates the allure of the Sphinx, as ongoing explorations are fraught with both risks and uncertainties. The advancement of ancient shipbuilding techniques marked a significant transition, as boats evolved from simplistic rafts to more intricate designs utilizing planks. This innovation exemplifies the engineering capabilities of the ancient Egyptians. Moreover, the significance of timber in ancient Egypt is underscored by the necessity to import cedar, indicating its value and reflecting the wealth of the pharaoh. This indicates the complexity of trade networks and resource management during that period. The discovery of a mud brick structure, where Egyptians engaged in worshiping the pharaoh, offers profound insights into the cultural practices surrounding death and the afterlife in ancient Egyptian society. This structure connects to their beliefs about the journey after death. The Rosetta Stone, unearthed by Napoleon's team, played a pivotal role in deciphering Egyptian hieroglyphics, thereby unlocking ancient knowledge that had been previously inaccessible to historians. This groundbreaking event occurred in 1822. The revelation of Queen Hatshepsut's mummy in 1903 provided illuminating insights into Egypt's first female pharaoh, fundamentally altering historical narratives about female leadership in ancient civilizations. Archaeologists recently discovered a mysterious void within the Great Pyramid of Giza, igniting inquiries into its purpose and the potential treasures that the ancient Egyptians may have concealed inside. A network of tunnels, extending approximately 3.5 miles, has led researchers to theorize that these passages played a crucial role in both the construction of the pyramids and water management systems. This discovery could redefine our understanding of ancient engineering. The dry moat that encircles the pyramid, often misconceived as a quarry, is too narrow and deep for practical stone mining. It may have served a far more complex purpose related to water management during construction. Research indicates that this moat might have been designed to collect water during heavy rains, possibly elucidating its design and function. Furthermore, this hydraulic system could have powered lifts used for transporting stones during construction. The pyramids were constructed using limestone and granite, materials believed to possess energetic properties and facilitate air ionization, potentially contributing to electricity generation. This hypothesis has captivated many researchers investigating ancient technologies. The Sphinx, which stands as another ancient marvel, was meticulously carved from limestone and remains enshrouded in mysteries, including its construction date and intended purpose. Archaeological investigations have unveiled secret tunnels concealed beneath its surface. Throughout history, various cultures have constructed pyramids, each exhibiting distinctive architectural styles, thereby indicating a common human fascination with monumental structures. Notable examples include Mexico's Pyramid of the Sun and the ziggurats of Iraq. Diverse pyramid designs reflect the values of their respective cultures, with Egyptians favoring smooth angles symbolizing spiritual ascension, while the Aztecs and Mayans opted for tiered structures. Each architectural choice conveyed both practical utility and symbolic significance. The construction of pyramids called upon thousands of skilled laborers and necessitated meticulous planning, thereby demonstrating the organizational capabilities of ancient societies. For example, the Great Pyramid of Giza involved approximately 20,000 workers. The Saqqara bird, considered by some to be an ancient model of a monoplane, provokes intriguing questions about technological advancements in ancient Egypt. This artifact exemplifies the potential existence of sophisticated concepts long before contemporary inventions. The mask of King Tutankhamun features holes for earrings, suggesting it may have belonged to a high-status individual, likely a woman or child, rather than the boy king himself. This observation illuminates ancient Egyptian customs regarding jewelry. Some theories propose that the mask could originally have belonged to Queen Nefertiti, highlighting the complex familial relationships within ancient Egyptian royalty. This speculation further fuels ongoing debates about her burial site. Nicholas Reeves has proposed that Tutankhamun's tomb may actually serve as a concealed burial site for Nefertiti, suggesting a larger enigma surrounding royal tombs in ancient Egypt. This hypothesis has ignited continued archaeological discussions. The Great Pyramid of Giza necessitated nearly 500,000 tons of a remarkably durable mortar, which has stood the test of time for thousands of years. This exceptional resilience is particularly noteworthy given the structure's antiquity. The alignment of the Great Pyramid with cardinal points is notably striking, achieved with an accuracy of within 4 minutes of arc. This remarkable feat was accomplished without the aid of modern tools or technologies. Recent research posits that the ancient Egyptians might have harnessed the autumn equinox for precise alignments during construction. This methodology could elucidate how they attained such extraordinary accuracy in their architectural endeavors. The intricate craftsmanship of King Tutankhamun's mask involved advanced techniques, as revealed by X-ray studies that indicated its composition of 23-karat gold. This blend was sought for its flexibility and shaping. Initially perceived as a perfect representation of King Tut's visage, recent studies suggest that the mask may have been crafted for a different ruler, possibly Queen Nefertiti. Such findings raise fascinating questions about its origins. The simplicity of King Tutankhamun's tomb prompts further inquiry into his significance. Researchers speculate that his successor, Pharaoh I, may have intentionally minimized his achievements to obscure his legacy from history. Research into the Great Pyramid has revealed its capacity to concentrate energy from specific radio waves, suggesting its potential function as an energy amplifier. This intriguing finding lends credence to theories posited by Nikola Tesla about the pyramid's functionality. Nikola Tesla's ambitious Wardenclyffe Tower project aimed to facilitate a global wireless communication network, anticipating connections akin to today's internet. His vision encompassed the wireless transmission of power, showcasing his innovative foresight. Current investigations into pyramid construction propose that a smaller workforce may have been involved in building these monumental structures, challenging the previously held estimate of 100,000 workers. This reevaluation transforms our understanding of labor and organization in ancient Egypt. The ancient Egyptians employed both heavy and light ox-drawn plows to efficiently cultivate their fields, enhancing soil fertility and crop yields. This innovative approach was crucial for their agricultural success. Moreover, irrigation played an instrumental role in Egyptian agriculture, enabling the cultivation of crops under arid conditions. Their sophisticated techniques later influenced agricultural practices in other cultures, including the Greeks and Romans. The Egyptians' architectural accomplishments, which included the development of canals for irrigation and the erection of grand structures, showcased their remarkable engineering skills. These innovations were vital for fostering agricultural growth and urban development. The Great Pyramid of Giza was erected as a tomb for Pharaoh Khufu and stands as a symbol of the ancient Egyptians' architectural genius. This monumental edifice represents a significant experiment in construction techniques. The underground labyrinth associated with the pyramids suggests a level of engineering sophistication that possibly relates to a complex water management system employed during the construction phase. This revelation has the potential to transform our understanding of ancient Egyptian practices. The concept of utilizing water as a lifting mechanism for heavy stones presents a captivating glimpse into the construction methodologies of antiquity. This hydraulic system may have significantly facilitated the construction processes of the pyramids. Moreover, some experts contend that a nearby lake may have provided the necessary water for this hydraulic system, although historical records do not confirm its existence. This uncertainty raises questions about the practicality of the system. The construction of the hydraulic device itself likely necessitated considerable manpower, suggesting that its development required more effort than simply moving stone blocks. This challenges the notion of working smarter rather than harder in ancient construction. Finally, the step pyramid of Djoser signifies a pivotal evolution in pyramid design, transitioning from a rudimentary mastaba to a more complex six-step structure. This transformation highlights significant advancements in ancient Egyptian architectural techniques.